गुड आफ्टरनून माय फ्रेंड्स। मैं सबीर अंसारी, यूट्यूब ब्लॉगर। आज आपके पास मैं नया एक वीडियो लेके आया हूँ। ये देख रहे हैं आप, ये नागलपुर विलेज, अंजार सिटी, गुजरात, इंडिया। 30 जून का ये वीडियो है। लास्ट 24 आवर्स में 17 इंच हैवी रेन हुआ है। हाय, आई एम सबीर अंसारी, यूट्यूब ब्लॉगर। टुडे आई bring to the new one YouTube video, and I am just upload here, and you can see it's very heavy rain in the 30th June 2023 in the Anjar city, Gujarat state, India. You can see everything in the road and home and cars and all vehicles is below the rain. And this is the river, you can see, and this is the broke up to the road. You can see very much disaster. Last 24 hours 17 inch raining this area of the Anjar city and near of the village Nagalpur, Gandhidham. This is the Gujarat state and the India country. This location, you see this one car is try to that go to the road, but road is very much water height. Now you can see this car is not running, actually the car is swimming. Is very disaster, all person and problems. Yeah, this is the Anjar Mundra highway, Gujarat, India. You can see all the road in the water, and traffic also very much jam. And you can see all vehicle is lighting is on because raining is going on, and no any accident happens, so that the lighting is on. You can see this is the highway. You can see, or you cannot see the road also. This is the village Sapeda, Anjar city, Gujarat, India. You can see this road is all also down the water. आप देख सकते हैं ये अंजार सापेड़ा हाईवे है, जो आप रोड पानी में डूबा हुआ देख रहे हैं, और जो व्हीकल जा रहे हैं, कार, बसेस, वो सब लाइटिंग ऑन करके जा रहे हैं बिकॉज क्लियरेंस विजिबिलिटी की तकलीफ़ है. दिस इज़ द वन रिवर फ्रॉम द अंजार एरिया. यू कैन सी very much fast flow of the water going on in below the bridge, and also risk to the anytime we are cross the bridge, we are very much risky. You can see speed of the water, you can imagine. You can see all person outside on the road because all waters going in the home and shops. And this is the Anjar Savasar Naka, Gujarat, India. You can see on the road like that river flow going on. This is the video of the also Anjar city. This is the one Hero Honda and car also try to that pass the road because is water depth is very much deep. They try to that go, and this is the onion storage. You can see we cannot eat to the onion because now onion is very much costly, but today is water is fill up in the storage, and all onion is go out with water. This is the very costly when we cannot see this like that wasting to the onion from the storage. You can see this is the show of the actually very much disaster in this area, Anjar city location. This is the Gandhidham. It's very you can see road is depth in the water. रोड पे पानी भर चुका है और ये कार कोशिश कर रही है जाने की. एक्चुअली कार ये चल नहीं रही है, कार पानी में तैर रही है, उतना पानी भर चुका है रोड पे. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़. लाइक करिएगा इस वीडियो को.